Hello, U.S. history students. It's remote learning day number 36, and it is your last notes of your 8th grade history career today. That's right. We're going to do our last section of notes in Unit 8. It is called The Legacy of the War. You guys find out a little bit about how the war ended in our last section of notes. There is just one video for this one. It's kind of a short section of notes. So this one's called Legacy of the War. It talks a little bit about some of the financial costs and some of the casualty numbers, things like that. And it does talk about Lincoln's assassination, which unfortunately is one of the things that happens just days after the war ends. So go ahead and watch the video, take some notes. This will be your last section of notes. Hopefully you guys are keeping your notes all in one place, because when we have the test next week, you guys will be able to use your notes on the test. So we'll do notes today. Tomorrow we'll do a short little activity and kind of find out a little bit about what was in Abraham Lincoln's pockets when he was assassinated. Kind of interesting to see what was in there. It's actually, I believe, owned by the Library of Congress right now. So I've seen it on display before at the Library of Congress. It's kind of cool. So we'll do that. Good news for all history fans today. If you guys get Disney Plus, we get Disney Plus here because my entire family loves Disney movies and stuff. But Disney Plus today announced that they are going to have the entire Hamilton performance on Disney Plus this summer on July 3rd, which was actually like 15 months before they had planned to release it. So with the original cast back in, I believe it was 2016, they filmed 3 different performances of Hamilton, and they've put them together. So it'll be like a movie, but they said it's really interesting because it's kind of like you have the best seat in the house at an actual performance, and it's not just one camera angle to kind of mix it up a little bit. But they decided that because of the everybody quarantining and stuff, that they would release it early. So that's going to be available on Disney Plus on July 3rd. So if you have seen Hamilton, I know I've seen Hamilton in person, but I'm definitely going to be watching Hamilton, the movie, several times. But that's going to happen on July 3rd. July 3rd. So that was a kind of a big surprise. No one really thought that was probably going to happen early, but they got it done and it's edited. So they thought, what better time than to do it here. So, all right, guys, that's all I got for today. Take your notes, and then tomorrow we'll do a little activity on what's in Lincoln's pockets. And then next week we'll have the test, wrap stuff up, and that'll be a wrap for the year. I actually went back to my classroom today and just kind of put all this stuff away on the tops of the bookshelves and stuff like that. Kind of a surreal moment knowing that we won't have class in there again. I will be at when people are able to go back to school and get stuff out of their locker and stuff. I'll be doing that on Tuesday next week. So I will help out with that. But other than that, it was just kind of freaky going back in the classroom and closing the door and knowing that the school year was over for actually being in class. So, all right. Well, have a good Wednesday, and we'll see you guys in class tomorrow. All right. Bye.